Okay, on page 432, numbers 50 and 52 both have to deal with angle of depression, angle of elevation. So, if you look at number 50, it's basically just a picture with lighthouse, two boats, and you're just trying to figure out how far apart the boats are from each other. So what I would do is I always break these into two different triangles. So the picture they give looks like this. Here's your lighthouse. There's the distance to boat 1. There's some other boat, some other object, object 2, some other distance away. What they're giving you is the height of your watchtower, your lighthouse, whatever it is. In this case, 21 meters. Okay, now here's what got most people on the quiz for this section. They tell you that the angle of depression to the first boat is 53 degrees, and angle of depression to the farther boat is 27. What that is telling you is from the lighthouse, I draw a horizontal looking line. The angle they're referring to, the angle of depression, starts at my red dotted line and goes down to the line of sight to each of our boats. So this one here is our 53, and then this angle here, our angle of depression from horizontal looking downward, is 27. 53 and 27 degrees. So what I was getting at, I break these into two triangles. (21 meters) same thing over here. So what I mean by two triangles is I'm going to call this one is just going to be our 53 and 27. Now, from geometry class, you may remember, but I believe it's opposite interior angles or whatever they're called. What I'm getting at is this angle here is also 53. If you have two parallel lines, our dotted line and our base, two parallel lines, a line intersecting that, those opposite angles are congruent. So down here is 27. The reason I do that is we now have a triangle with 1 degree one side, and in the end we're looking for this distance, right? That distance is the distance from the lighthouse to our boat. So in our first one, if you look at it, we have our opposite angle here and our adjacent angle, or I'm sorry, our opposite side and our adjacent side, which is tangent. So let me set this up better. Tangent of 53 is 21 over our unknown distance x. So I'm going to call that x. Just for sake of argument, we're going to call that one y. Tangent 27, 21 over y, because they are two different lengths. So then x is equal to 21 over tangent of 53, and y is 21 over tan 27. Now, in your calculator, make sure you are in degree mode. 21 over tan. Good. what's my first one? Okay, 21 over tan 53. $15.825. We'll go back 21 over tan 27. $41.215. So what we've just found out is that the farther boat is 41 meters, the closer boat is 15 meters from the lighthouse. So really all you need to do then is take 41.215, subtract the 15.825, and you will get the distance between the boats, which is 25.4 according to our book. So to recap, they give you angle of elevation for one boat, angle of elevation for a second boat. I go ahead and take those two triangles, separate them using that opposite interior angles. We have an angle 53, opposite side 21, adjacent side is our unknown. So we set up the trig ratio, find out that our distance along the bottom for one triangle is 15. We do the same thing for the farther boat. Opposite is our 21 meter height. Adjacent is our unknown. We have our angle 27. And then you just find the distance between the two. And in this case it's 25.4 meters. I'm going to go ahead and stop this one and do problem 52 on a separate video.